and welcome. We're excited to have you join us for classes at the Well-Trained Mind Academy. We've created this short orientation for delayed students to get you started on the right foot. Delayed students are responsible for handing in the same work as live students, and you receive the same amount of instructor feedback on your work. You're also expected to keep to the same assignment schedule as the students in the live classes. The key difference is that you, as a delayed student, will be watching recorded lectures. You need to watch the recording of the class within 24 hours of the live lecture. In addition, you must be sure to communicate with your instructor about the class material. Recordings are easy to access. You'll find them listed under Classrooms and Recordings on your class Blackboard page. For step-by-step instructions, read the tutorial on how to access class recordings. Be sure to follow recordings for the proper section. One section of the class will be marked as for delayed students. Be sure to watch those section recordings, since any information that your teacher has for delayed students will be given there. If there is no designated section for delayed students, pick one section of the class to watch and keep to that section. Schedule a time to watch the recording and keep to it. Having a routine will make it easier to keep up with the lectures and assignments. What to do if you can't find a recording? From time to time, you might have difficulty locating a recording. If this happens, email your instructor. They might recommend a different recording for you for that session. Develop a relationship with your instructor. Email the instructor to introduce yourself and set up a time to meet before the semester begins. Remember, students are responsible for contacting their instructors. Don't wait for them to contact you. If you're having trouble understanding a topic, you must reach out to your instructor to ask for help. How to ask questions and get answers. When you're watching a lecture, you'll have questions just like a live student, but you won't be able to ask them in real time. You must make certain to contact your instructor with your questions. Many instructors set up discussion boards for students to ask questions. Other instructors encourage students to email them with questions. Your instructor will let you know what to do when you have a question. Be aware of different participation expectations for delayed students. Your instructor may assign work for delayed students, like exit tickets, instead of live class participation credit. If you're not certain, be sure to ask your instructor about participation credit for the class. Make sure you know when things are due and hand work in on time. Delayed students hand in work on the same schedule as live students. Know your due dates so that you can submit your work on time. Remember, late work for delayed students has the same penalty as the live students. Do you have more Blackboard questions? Here's how to get answers. All of the information that we covered can also be accessed through your course Blackboard page by clicking on the WTMA Help Center link in the left menu. Our tutorials give step-by-step instructions for things like accessing recordings, submitting work, and checking grades. Taking delayed courses can be challenging, but may be a great option for students who are unavailable during any of the times that the live class is offered. We look forward to having you in our delayed classes and as a part of the Well-Trained Mind Academy.